What is cin.get function? cin.get is a function in the iostream library. It is used to read characters from keyboard. The C in the extraction operator skips all the whitespace characters when scanning for the next input value. What is the syntax? In the cin.get statement, variable of character is a character variable. In the parentheses of the function is called argument or parameter. The following table will show the difference cin and cin.get. What is cin.ignore? cin.ignore is a function in the iostream library. It is used to process partial data. When you want to discard a portion of the input buffer, it is used to clear unwanted characters. What is the syntax? Integer expression is a max number of characters to ignore. Character expression is to stop ignoring after this character. Kindly watch the video to learn how to use cin.get and cin.ignore function in programming. It will help you fully understand the syntax and how each function works. The link is provided in the description.